Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, like I was talking about yesterday, I mean, we're definitely still within this channel, and there's really nothing saying that it potentially couldn't just continue to bounce around within this, ranging market. But if this is the end of a pullback over here, which I still think it looks like it looks like a clear 333 pattern, WXY, then it should potentially break out of that channel and it should potentially go down and give us this break of structure. That break of structure is what's going to confirm that the daily, weekly time frame is back in an uptrend, and this over here is the end of a big pullback on those very high time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, there's no break yet. There's always a chance this is just another ABC correction. So if it does, make like a big bounce, like a consolidation, big bounce, kind of like what happened here, then you definitely could go long. Just be aware that the trend is your friend, and if it does keep on going down, if it never makes that big bounce, nice engulfing move to the upside, then just keep in mind that the trend is definitely down, and the trend is your friend, and you really should be looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks right now. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.